Welcome to Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're going to go ahead and do a transmission fluid change on a 2016 Honda Accord. This will apply from 2014 to 2017 Accords. Alright, so to do a transmission fluid change, here are the things that we're going to need. We have the transmission fluid. Make sure that you get this from Honda because anything else may screw up your transmission. We have the washers. This is going to be for the drain plug. And then because this car does not have a dipstick, there is a check plug, which also has its own gasket, its own ring. This is going to be used to check the fluid level later. And then of course a socket wrench and a 12mm socket for that check bolt. And then after that, we will need to go ahead and use a funnel to go ahead and fill the transmission up. Alright, before we go ahead and drain the fluid through the drain plug, we're going to go ahead and remove the little cover here over the dipstick tube or the fill tube. Just a little rubber plug. Now all we need to do is just go ahead and get our socket wrench here, and then we have a drain pan to go ahead and collect the fluid. So now we're going to go to the drain plug. Alright, so the drain plug is this guy right here. It's not an actual, you won't need a socket. You're going to actually put the 3/8 end into the hole right here, and it'll lock in place. Now what you're going to do is lefty-loosey. Going to go ahead and crack the bolt. Once you crack it, you can turn it by hand. Try to get your drain pan as close as possible because it's probably going to shoot out from the side and make a mess. And try to follow the pattern. The plug has a magnetic end to it, and it's normal to go ahead and see very sparkly metal shavings on there. We're going to go ahead and clean that off once this finishes draining. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and clean the drain plug. We're going to dig the washer off since we're going to replace that. And you can see there's metal shavings on there. Again, that's normal. Just going to clean it up. Make sure the magnet's nice and clean. Alright. Got a nice clean magnet. Got our new washer here, our new crush washer. Let's go ahead and put it on there. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and plug the hole here. Clean this off a little bit. Alright. And all we gotta do is just righty-tighty. You don't have to go crazy on tightening this thing. There we go. That's it. Alright, so this is our drain pan. We took about 4 quarts of oil out. So we're gonna go ahead and fill what we took out. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and fill up the transmission with using the funnel and 4 quarts to match what we pulled out of Honda transmission fluid. Alright. Go ahead and stick it in the hole where we pulled that plug. Alright. And literally all you're going to do is pop the cap. going to go ahead and remove the funnel and put the cap back in, and then we'll start the car up. Once we do that, we'll go ahead and use our check bolt to go ahead and confirm if we have the proper level. But for now, we'll just go ahead and warm up. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and start up the car. All right, give it about 10-15 seconds, get the fluids flowing. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put my foot on the brake. We're gonna go ahead and shift through every gear to get the fluid flowing. I'm gonna do it 3 times just to make sure. Alright. Alright, so we have the engine up to operating temperature now. What we're going to do is going to go ahead and use a check bolt to go ahead and check to make sure we have the proper amount of fluid in the transmission. So we're going to go ahead and put a oil pan under it so it collects anything that leaks out of that check bolt. Alright, so we have the pan down here. The check bolt is going to be, it's kind of hard to see from the top, but it's going to be about right here where my finger is. It's a 12mm bolt. Go ahead and get there. We may have room, I'm not sure yet. Okay, so it's dribbling out, meaning that we got it right. Well, while we're doing that, let's go ahead and get this washer replaced. Sometimes it likes to stick. It wants to be a butt. Okay. All right, so it's not going to come off easily because it wants to be that way. Let's see here. We're going to hold it with pliers and then try to unscrew the washer off. Make sure you drop the bolt. We have the new washer from the packaging over here. Slides on easily. Now I'm going to go back there. You may not be able to see it. You'll feel it by hand. change for transmission on a 2016 Accord, which still applies to 2014 to 2017.